The most important thing is to stay positive. Think positive because thoughts are like the stream wheel that moves our life in the right direction. You are too blessed to be stressed. Stop focusing on the negative. Only embrace the positives. The past is a place of reference, not a place of residence. The past is a place of learning, not a place of living. The simple act of paying positive attention to people has a great deal to do with productivity. There are two ways of spreading light: to be the candle or the mirror that reflects it. A life of success and achievement is a direct result of utilizing the power of positive thinking. Stop comparing yourself to other people. Just choose to be happy and live your own life. One single positive dream is more important than 1,000 negative realities. Staying positive does not mean that things will turn out okay. Rather, it is not that you will be okay no matter how things turn out. Let our advanced worrying become advanced thinking and planning. Don't waste your time in anger, regrets, worries, and grudges. Life is too short to be unhappy.